There is a moment, quiet, unsettling, when you realize that life is not broken, but misaligned. You're busy, yet unfulfilled, connected, yet distracted, surrounded, yet unfocused. Nothing catastrophic has happened, and yet something feels off. The Stoics believed these moments were not failures. They were signals. Marcus Aurelius wrote not to escape life, but to correct it. One thought, one action, one day at a time. Stoicism was never abstract philosophy. It was a manual for living well under pressure. If your life feels scattered, heavy, or directionless, you do not need a new identity. You need better practices. Here are 5 Stoic disciplines: simple, demanding, transformative, that can realign your life from the inside out. Practice 1. Separate what you control from what you don't. Every Stoic teaching begins here. Epictetus said that most human suffering comes from confusing 2 categories: what depends on us, what does not. Your thoughts, your actions, your effort, your values. These are yours. Outcomes, opinions, timing, luck. These are not. Modern example. You stress about how others perceive you. You replay conversations. You try to manage reactions. This drains your energy because it violates reality. The Stoic correction is ruthless and liberating. Act with integrity. Release the rest. Your life improves immediately when you stop fighting battles you were never meant to win. Practice 2. Master your inner dialogue. Marcus Aurelius warned himself daily, your mind takes the shape of what you hold in it. Most people let their inner voice run unchecked, catastrophic, self-critical, restless. Stoicism teaches mental discipline, not blind positivity. When something goes wrong, ask, is this within my control? What judgment am I adding? What is the rational response? Example, you make a mistake at work. Untrained mind. I'm incompetent. This ruins everything. Stoic mind. An error occurred. What is the next corrective action? Your life changes when emotion stops hijacking reason. Practice 3. Live by virtue, not mood. The Stoics did not chase happiness. They chased character. They lived by wisdom, courage, justice, self-discipline. Mood is unstable. Virtue is reliable. Modern example. You don't feel motivated, so you skip the work. Delay the conversation. Abandon the habit. Stoicism says, act according to principle, not feeling. You show up because it is right, not because it is comfortable. This single shift builds self-respect, and self-respect fixes more than motivation ever will. Practice 4. Practice voluntary discomfort. The Stoics trained for hardship before it arrived. Cold showers, simple food, silence, restraint, not as punishment, but as preparation. Seneca warned that luxury weakens the soul. Modern example. You are constantly overstimulated, comforted, distracted. Small acts of voluntary discomfort reset perspective. Walk without headphones. Delay gratification. Sit in silence. Choose effort over ease. You rediscover something powerful. You are more resilient than your comfort suggests. This practice builds inner confidence no crisis can steal. Practice 5. Reflect daily. Correct constantly. Stoicism is not passive acceptance. It is active self-audit. Marcus Aurelius reflected every night. Seneca reviewed his actions daily. Ask yourself each evening, what did I do well today? Where did I fall short? What will I correct tomorrow? Not with guilt, with precision. Modern example. Instead of scrolling at night, you write one sentence of reflection. That single habit compounds. A life is fixed not by grand gestures, but by daily alignment. Stoicism does not promise an easy life. It promises a stable one. A life where you are not ruled by emotion, not shaken by chaos, not dependent on approval. You become grounded. The world will still be uncertain. People will still disappoint. Plans will still fail. But you will no longer collapse under these things, because your life is built on what you can control. Your mind, your actions, your character. Fix those, and everything else finds its proper place. This is not self-help. This is self-mastery, and it begins today.